Hey, welcome to Tech Leveler. Today I'm going to review the TECKNET wireless rechargeable mouse. Now, this is a budget mouse, however, with plenty of positive reviews on Amazon, and I was looking for a cheap budget Bluetooth mouse. I thought I'd give it a go. It comes in this basic brown box. Now, if you want to check it out and see the latest price, there is affiliate links in the description below. There's not a lot in the package, to be honest with you. There's the mouse itself and a charging cable. You can see here at the very end of the mouse, this is where you charge it. Now, I've always used a Magic Mouse, as this come with my Mac. However, I found it very uncomfortable in the end, but this, I found it very comfortable to hold. There is side buttons where your thumb is, and when you press the buttons, there is no visible or audible click. It's very quiet, and I found it very comfortable to hold. You can connect very easily here, as you can see, either 2G or BT. You can press this connect button on the left hand side, and I found on the Mac and the Windows PC, because you can connect to two different devices, I found it was very easy. Just press the button, the Mac and Windows picked it up straight away and connected without any problems. For such a cheap mouse, I'll be honest with you, it fit perfectly in the hand and I found it very comfortable. Now, there's a scroller and different buttons that you can program. However, for the price, I recommend this TECKNET wireless rechargeable mouse to anyone. Let us know if you've used it or you're thinking of using it, and if you buy it, let us know what you think. I'm sure others would love to hear your thoughts. As I say, I thought it was brilliant.